In this video, we will talk about how to create a big IP standalone logical device cluster in APIC. We'll log into the big IP to see that there is no configuration currently on the big IP. Go to Device Management and Device Groups. We also see that there's only one partition on the big IP. We log into the APIC and click on Tenants. And in our case, we would be adding a logical device cluster in Tenant Common. Right-click on L4 to L7 devices and create a logical device cluster. You would need to add the name of the device cluster that you would like to use, the device package version. The model would be unknown manual, which would give you the option to add the mode, in this case single, the device type as virtual, and the context as single. The connectivity for the VMM domain would be vCenter, since we are going for VMM integration. Credentials would be the big IP admin username and password. You would add the management IP address for device 1 as well as the management port, the VM that is going to be used for integration, and then here we will define the physical connectivity of the big IP to the leaf. 1_1 is the interface on the big IP using network adapter 2, which connects to the leaf on port 10. The direction is that of a consumer. Similarly, interface 1_2 going to virtual NIC network adapter 3 connects to the same port on the leaf with the direction of a provider. The management IP for the cluster is the same as that of device 1. On the next screen, you can add other parameters for the big IP. In our case, we will configure the host name for the big IP. Once we click Finish, we are done creating the logical device cluster. We can see that the device state right now is in initialization condition. And there is also a fault on the big IP, which is in soaking and clearing state. We go back to the policy, and now we see that the device state is stable. That means the communication between APIC and the big IP was successful. We browse to the different options of the logical device cluster, the interfaces, and the network adapters that they are connected to. We also notice that the faults are removed from the clearing to the retaining lifecycle. We log on to the big IP and see that the hostname has changed according to what was configured by APIC. And also the device group, we have the logical device cluster name, and our big IP is part of that logical device cluster or device group. Thank you.